Good afternoon, Martin community. This is Martin from Martin's Model Shop, bringing you the intro video for the build-off for Distinctive Auto Detail at Pablo Santiago. The group is building this 94 Ford Lightning truck, and this is going to be my intro video showing that it's a untouched kit. Is the body still in the plastic bag? Windows, taillights, tires, chrome tree, 2 chrome trees actually, and is the rest of the plastic, the body, the interior tub, and all the rest of the plastic, and decal sheet, which is kind of really small, very little on it, because it's not very big, and the instruction sheet. So, as I said, this is my intro video for the build-off. It starts today, and I believe it runs through the end of January 31st. So have some time if you want to jump in on it. Put up a video, and Pablo will get your information, I'm sure. So this is Martin from Martin's Model Shop, signing out for this little quickie. Have a great day. Today's hump day.